Okay, I'm now going to talk you through how to take the airlines and electrical lines out. So I'm going to start from the right hand side and I'm going to work my way forward to the left hand side. So the first one is the airline. You got your colour and the airline. This colour remains with the trailer. So I need to line the colour up with this nipple. So when I twist around, I can see a recess. So I line the recess up with the nipple, hold with my left hand. I'm now going to push the colour back in towards the trailer so the nipple goes in between the recess. The airline will then come away. I'm then going to place the airline away securely. Then I come to the electrical lines. To take the electrical lines out, nice and easy. Lift up the cover, remove the line. On the rear here, you will find empty housings. Lift up the cover, place the electrical line away securely. Second electrical line, again, lift the cover, remove into the empty housing. EBS, it has a trigger clip. So we've got to pull the trigger clip so the clip comes down. I'm then going to lift the cover and remove it. Again, I place it away in the empty housing. Push the trigger clip back in place. Final airline, collar and airline. This time the collar comes with the airline. So I'm going to twist the collar till the recess is lined up with the nipple. And then going to pull the collar back towards the nipple and the airline will come away. And I'm going to place it away. I'm now going to talk through putting them back on. So ensure that you put the airlines and electrical lines back on from the areas where you placed them, from the empty housings. So the first one I'm going to go is from the left side, work my way back through the right side. So I'm going to line up again. Now, the collar, line up with the nipple and the recess, pull the collar back. As soon as you release, you can see how the collar comes forward. So I've got to hold that collar back whilst I put it on. As I put it on, I've got pressure with my left hand. I can now release my right hand. The collar hasn't pushed forward yet. It's still in the recess because I'm holding the pressure on with my left hand. And I'm going to put my right hand with my left and I'm going to push fully forward. Now the collar has clipped in place, away from the recess. I'm going to twist the collar and it's now secure. ABS, get it from the empty housing. You got your clip, make sure it's to the rear. Lift your cover, place fully in and place your clip fully secure. White electrical line, white electrical line. Lift the cover up and place in. Black electrical line, black electrical line. Lift the cover up and place in. Now sometimes these may be different colours, okay? But don't worry, it will only go into the housing it's meant to. The white one cannot fit into the black one, and the black one cannot fit into the white one. Last airline then. Unclip it. Now, collar, recess, nipple, line up. Going to push the collar back. Going to hold in place. Give me airline, place it in, put a bit of pressure on, collar holds in place until I fully push home. Right hand with the left hand, push fully home, collar comes forward, holds it in place. Twist the collar, everything's now secure. So before I leave, I do a final check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tells me my trailer's now live.